Hi! In this video, we will quickly tell you about Get Emails. Get Emails is an email retargeting software, amazing proprietary technology that identifies up to 35% of anonymous traffic on your website, that lets you identify your website's anonymous traffic and get the email addresses of your visitors. No pop-ups, no forms. All you need to do is add a script from Get Emails to your web pages. Get Emails features. Only Retarget known, last 14-day openers. The secret is that Get Emails only passes you email addresses that have known activity, opens or clicks, within the last 14 days in the network. Get Emails scrubs known unsubscribers and complainers. As a result, a far higher open rate than your house list, virtually zero complaints and zero traps. Respect consumer privacy. Every email address Get Emails passes has opted into its publisher network to receive offers from its partners. There is a record of the opt-in date and URL for all email addresses in our dataset. Maintain strict compliance with CCPA and CAN spam. Get Emails delivery ID email graph is 100% compliant with all applicable laws and regulations in the USA. It's built off a series of self-enroll entry points, and we have a robust opt-out network. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about Get Emails and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.